Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and it's going to be a Mother's Day gift basket. I actually have 3 of them, so we're going to have to move pretty fast so I can make all 3. And I know you've seen these at the Dollar Tree and I went ahead and picked them up for my sisters. So let's get started with this beautiful pink one. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take out the ribbon. I don't need it and I don't want it. You want to add another color ribbon, it's really optional. Go for it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and add some tissue. Just as a filler. So I'm going to add 3 pieces of the white, just like that. And then one of the pink. On top. Just like that. So I think that's perfect. Let's get started. The first thing that I will be adding is this amazing makeup bag. You guys see it? Perfect. Now really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and add a gift card, and she loves TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods, so I went ahead and grabbed that. You guys see? I'm gonna go ahead and add the gift card in here and then separate it up. I'm gonna get rid of this. And then it's gonna go all the way in the back. Like that. That's perfect. The next thing I will be adding is the cutest notebook I found at the Dollar Tree. This is from Target. And it says Be You. I'm going to add the notebook right in front of it. Don't worry. The next thing that I will be adding is this beautiful argan oil, body oil plus avocado. And that is going to go right there. Perfect. The next thing that I'll be adding is this bath bomb that I picked up from Target on sale. So it was not $3, don't worry. It was $1. So that's gonna go right there. The next thing that I'll be adding are these makeup collagen wipes. And I want this right there. The next thing that I'll be adding is this Say Yes to Tomatoes, because you know I love my masks. So I'm going to go ahead and add the mask right there. The next thing that I'll be adding is this vanilla hand cream. Perfect. And I'm also going to go ahead and add this flavor lip balm in the flavor of pineapple, and I picked this up at Target, and that is going right there. I'm also gonna add some bubble gum because this is my favorite bubble gum. I thought it would be nice to give them something that I like as well. And the last thing that I'll be adding is this pen, this gel pen. Look at how cute that is. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And that's it, you guys. Perfect gift basket for Mother's Day. Let's make the second one. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them all up at the end just so you could get a little, you know, a view of how everything looks. Let's work on the next one. Now I will be removing the ribbon again. Now it's optional. If you want to keep it, by all means keep it. I don't. So I think they look prettier like that and less Easterish. So go ahead with 3 tissues again. And then grab your pink one. I'm going to do them all pink because I want that to be the theme matching. So that is perfect. And for this basket, let me tell you, she loves her darker colors, so I decided to do a purple theme for her. I thought that would be very cute, and I found this. Isn't this adorable? I'm gonna go ahead and remove this as well. Perfect. And then she loves Amazon, everything and anything Amazon. So that's exactly what I got her. An Amazon gift card. Now it cut. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up. It got a little damage, but that's okay. Sorry. I'm just fixing it really quick, you guys, because I had put it away and it got damaged. But here it is. Let's go ahead and put it in here. Close it up. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Put it all the way at the bottom. I think that looks very pretty. Now the next thing I picked up for her was a notebook, but it's slightly different. And it says pineapple. Isn't this gorgeous? Now I'll be putting that right in the middle. I still want the bag to show. And the next thing. Okay, so the next thing I'll be adding is this beautiful bath bomb that I picked up at Target. And I got it for $1, so yay. The next thing that I'll be adding to this beautiful gift basket, like you could add anything you want. I'm adding this body oil that I picked up in the lavender scent. I thought that would be perfect. I'm also going to go ahead and add the gel pen with the donut. I think that is so cute and it'll go perfect with the notebook. The next thing that I'll be adding is the face makeup removers. Now I love this. I love to remove my makeup. You should always do it before you go to bed. Trust me, your skin is gonna thank you for it and appreciate you. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a face mask, which you know they are my favorite. I live for face masks. I think they're everything your face needs. The next thing I'll be adding is this hand cream in the vanilla, which I thought was so cute. I actually picked that up at Target. And it was 50 cents when I picked it up. It was on sale. I'm going to add my favorite gum because you know you got to have some gum in your purse. The next thing that I'll be adding is the lip balm. You guys, these lip balms, I picked them up at Target and they are so adorable. Look at how pretty this is. I thought that would be perfect to throw in your purse in case you need, you know, a little bit of goodies in there. But the basket is done and it's perfect. Let's move on to the last gift basket. And it'll be for my other sister. Now these baskets are for each of my sisters for Mother's Day. Now I will remove the ribbon because I do not need or like the ribbon. So all you have to do is pull it off. If you want to go ahead and add your own ribbon, by all means do it. The Dollar Tree has a ton of ideas you can use. But I'll be adding the same thing. 3 tissue papers and then a hot pink one. I just wanted to keep everything matching because, you know, they are for 3 of my sisters. They're all very different. That's why I chose everybody a different color. The color and the theme kind of went with everybody. I know what everybody likes. They all have different tastes. They shop at different places. So I'm kind of matching it to their personality, which I think if you're giving someone a gift basket, you should always try to match it to their personality. You know that person. You know what they like. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Now, for her, I chose this beautiful green purse that I picked up at Target on clearance as well. You know, I'm always on a budget. I love a good budget. Save, save, save. And that is my motto. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's with the flamingos. And isn't it adorable? Now I will be adding a gift card to hers as well, because she loves to shop at Target. So I'm just going to go ahead and sneak the little gift card in there. And hopefully when they open their bags, they see that there's a gift card there and they're really happy with it. But yeah, I picked it up at Target and look at how beautiful those flamingos are. Now with her basket, I'm going to add the same notebook, which I really love, this pineapple. What I love about these baskets is they're so spring, they're beautiful, they're bright, they're Mother's Day. I'm going to go ahead and add the gray bath bomb. I thought that would be perfect with this color basket. I'm going to go ahead and add a face mask, which is the coconut, which I love coconut. Oh my God, I even put it on my hair. You should see how long my hair is. I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut body oil. I thought that was amazing because I love coconut, everything. I'm going to add the gel pen. Now hers is going to be the lime one. It is the green one. And each of them are different. So I thought that would be perfect with this basket. I'm also going to add the makeup remover wipes, which are amazing. I'm going to also add her the gum. I'm going to go ahead and add the hand cream, which I picked up at a Target for half off. So I was really happy. And I'm also going to go ahead and add her the lip gloss or lip balm. So I thought this would be so perfect for their purses. A lot of these little goodies, I'm sure they're going to love them. I love all of them. I thought they came out perfect. I'm really happy with the basket. Now, they sell this basket in 2 sizes. This is the small one, and they also have the large. But look at how different these baskets are. But at the same time, they're very, very beautiful. Now, you could go ahead and choose a basket. We're going to go ahead and wrap one up just so I could show you really quick. These bags I pick up at my Dollar Tree. They are 2 for $1. So go ahead and make sure you pick up 2 packs. Grab your basket gently, place it in the middle, and look at how gorgeous this is coming out. Now, my tip and trick is to grab some tape, and all we're going to do is put it on the edge of the bag, and we're going to tape it to the bag. Now, why? Because that makes the bag and the basket look more fitted. And I think when the basket is fitted, it looks neater. And that is a great tip, let me tell you guys, because sometimes the basket looks all loose and flimsy and ugh. And I like it nice and neat because I'm very organized and clean when I try. So let's go ahead and grab some ribbon. I picked both of these up at my Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and use the pink one because I thought it would go perfect with all 3 baskets since I did add the pink tissue. I think that would be the best bet. Go ahead and measure your ribbon. Trust me. Just pull it 3 times and you'll have the perfect size of ribbon for the perfect bow. Now, grab the top of it super tight because we're going to go ahead and seal all the air in there. Just so it stays nice and fluffy. Since I don't have a gift card, I do, but not in the middle to hold it up. We don't want to weigh it down. That is a mistake that a lot of people make. They weigh their baskets down, and by the time you give it to somebody, it looks awful. It looks, let me tell you, extremely awful. Now, to avoid this trick, all we're going to do is grab the top of the basket and we're going to cut 1/3 of it off. Trust me, it's a great tip and trick and it always works. It keeps your basket looking nice till the day you give it to that person and it does not weigh it down. Look at how good it looks. Now, I did all 3 just to save some time and just to show you the final result. And look at how gorgeous they came out. I hope you guys make your own basket. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. I hope you give it to a loved one, whoever that parent, mother figure is to you. They're going to enjoy it. They're going to be happy. They're going to be thankful. They're going to be grateful. And they came out gorgeous. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys had fun making them with me. Look at how beautiful this bluish, greenish one looks. And then look at the yellow one. Which one's your favorite? Comment down below. I have no idea which one I like more. And until next time, bye you guys.